Jessup kicks. This time it's Essengue. 3-point. Blažević back on the court. It's good to see Coach Magro making better use of his locally grown players. Essengue misses so far by the defensive Ulm. Kicks for Zemaitis, who can't get the score in there. Essengue just shows his length to come and rip down the rebound, and he goes coast to coast. And Ulm, right start of this half. Wolves looking hesitant as the consistency we expect of him. So Ulm with the lead. Essengue fouled on the way to the own the space vertically above you, but you can't jump to the side. Team. Points for Treshawn Thurman. After 29 points last week, Essengue goes to the rack. Essengue. But he misses. Justinian Jessup. Guarded aggressively by Essengue drives as a whistle on the season, but he's missed all 4 today, which means sure enough, there he goes. On Retzel in the corner, Plummer off with the 3. Rebound, the long arm of Essengue. Missed 3-point shot by Herkenhoff, but he comes back to him as Nelson drives down the lane. There's a battle on the boards in possession. Weideman slips inside Essengue. There, Tobias Jensen wide open. Average, it's almost plus 6 points that Wolves will have. Plummer answers though. American Jessup. A lot of pick and roll for Wolves, but they're being stuck behind the 3. Andrews, left-handed, drives down the lane, drops off to his big man, ends up in the hands of Essengue with off downstairs, turned over, winding down. Daniel Bashlik. His first court action. Quick hands, but they can't steal the ball away, and there will be some EuroLeague teams taking a good look at him as well. I think very much in the mold of J.C. Carroll, legend of Real Madrid. Cowan. Only 1 point for him so far. Guards. And a breakaway layup. Four-point lead for the visitors. This time it's Brooks for 3, and he makes it on him 3 times. So that means that's the way they're calling it. Silly turnovers. The Mike 3 now. Cowan down the lane. There's Taylor in the corner. And there's a foul, and he's in points. He is deadly from 3-point land. The pass. Thurman takes a look at Essengue and throws it away. Now 7 assists. Thurman drives, bumped by Essengue, no foul call to the bar. This is how they're going to play, and now they're going to play 14 compared to 18 of 23 for Vilnius, and the full court pressure and turnover and stole. Shot clock's under 10. Thurman against Essengue. That's great defense. That's just a... Thurman's comes, set the high screen. You don't want to end up with Thurman against Essengue unless you do, because Thurman tells you. Cowan can't make the 3, and this time the long Wolves look like they're running out of speed and running out of ideas as Cameron has nothing up. Wolves can't even get a shot away now. Thurman gets away with the travel, rejected in the game for Wolfsbury. It is likely to be